What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I am Ro. If you are new here and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming on back. Now this is going to be the last video for my spooky season series. Even though the series didn't go exactly how I planned, actually a lot of these videos were pretty spontaneous and last minute, but that's okay. And speaking of last minute, this video is going to be 3, maybe 4, I'm thinking 3 simple, cute, last minute looks that you can do for Halloween. These looks can be made even more simple or they can be elevated. I'm thinking I'm gonna do like in the middle. So I made a list of makeup ideas. I have cat makeup, which is like a girl's go-to, right? Purge, vampire, deer makeup, pop art, zombie makeup, Joker. So I think of this 6 or 7, I want to do the cat one for sure because that's like a go-to for most girls. I think I want to do a vampire. And then last but not least, pop art. I really want to do the pop art one. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I don't want to chat y'all head off. So let's start with the cat. the last look. It's probably my favorite. You can definitely make these looks simpler or take them to the extreme, girl, whatever you want to do. But if you are looking for some last minute things, I hope that one of these three helped you out. But yeah, I think that's all I have for this video. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I hope you guys have a happy Halloween, and I will see you guys in my next video.